Hi, we're talking about agile transformations and what metrics you need to measure to see what the impact is of your transformation. So many companies are starting to measure things like time to market and return on investment, but we often get the question, what do I need to start measuring? So Bas, why is it so difficult to find the right metrics for a transformation?
Well, because you start with a why, and what you say is, well, why are you going to transform? Why do you start with a transformation? You want to gain market share, etc.
Yeah, you want to grow business, optimize your processes and tools, something.
Yeah, if you start a transformation and you only measure those metrics, it's not very motivating because it's not growing instantly. I'm going to tell you a personal example.
Yeah.
I gained some weight lately, so I want to lose weight. My why of losing weight is being healthy. I love snacks, I love beer, and I love Netflix. If you combine these three every evening, it's not
It will show.
It will show it's not very healthy. So I have a plan. Only do those three things in the weekend and cycle more. I want to cycle 120 kilometers every week, so that's what I'm doing. And if I'm only using the scale to see if my weight is dropping, how do you think?
It's gonna be demotivating because if you start with that, well, you're gonna gain some muscle weight, and muscle weight is heavier than fat. So yeah, you will probably spend a lot of energy, and then you're gonna have very strong commitment to not drinking during the week, and then a week from now it will show that you actually gained.
It's not very motivating. So I have to use other metrics to keep me motivated and keep myself on track. So what I use? This is my own cockpit on my bicycle.
Yeah.
What it does, it measures my calories. How many calories did I burn? How many kilometers did I do more? And that's my goal. I want to cycle more. I want to cycle faster. And this is what how I can measure that. And this keeps me motivated to lose eventually some weight.
Yeah, because it shows progress as well.
Exactly. Yeah.
Makes sense.
So companies will gain weight as well.
Why is that?
Well, if you start with a transformation, you have to invest. Invest in the transformation. You hire people to help you to improve your company, to drive your transformation. You lose some productivity here and there. So if you invest and you're measuring the top metrics, market share, time to market, etc. It's not very motivating.
Yeah, it's like spending a bunch of energy and then seeing the scale go up.
Exactly. Yeah, and you will stop transforming.
Yeah,
we see that a lot. They invest, stopping because the lagging KPIs aren't moving.
So what do people need to do?
Well, measure the leading KPIs. Smaller things. When you can, and then you can see the smaller difference, the smaller improvements within your company.
That eventually will lead towards your lacking KPI.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay. Makes sense.
Thank you.
So do you want to know what those leading KPIs are for a transformation and what the lacking KPI should be? Then check out the next videos where Bas will tell you all about them.